by Sonic Akinos Loran. And this one just got licensed in Sweden. It's licensed for Sweden. And we already got a breeder on Nana. It's for sure really, really interesting stallion by Sonic. We had him here on a most impressive stallion at the moment under Edvard Gall. And he's quite similar to him, the way he's moving. A lot of hind legs, active going. And an interesting thing from Zappa is also the motherline. The motherline of Akinos Loran, it's the same motherline like Akim Foldair we had here, the Grand Prix Horse of Andreas. And that for sure, it's not just put a good stallion on the mare. You really need a safe more line to get more safety ball in your breeding. And Zappa, he's a typical suck offspring, really quick in the legs, active in the hind legs, always closing from behind, and short type, always together. You can take him back. And always what we like, always that you, when you start to trot, always that you start with the hind legs. And it's easier at the end to collect and keep the horse together. And he was just really impressive in Sweden. I just talked with the owner Bjarke, also good owners, good partners. We have Bjarke and Patricia. Had many horses through our system. He got 9.5, 10 for rideability, 9, 10 for his gaits. Also a stallion which wants to show himself. And as I know, Sonic from a young one here at that place. And then I can see this one he will make a similar way, because it's a similar way of moving, and that way of moving you can do a lot with.
Tid, fordi den har stået i Sverige over ved Bjarke og Patricia, men man blev rigtig positivt overrasket. Jeg havde set en video, og jeg synes den så rigtig fin ud, og fik en fantastisk flot beskrivelse, blandt andet 9 ved testrytterne i Sverige nu her til kåring. Men at det er en Sonic, som gør sig så godt, som den gør, og det her, det er helt sikkert også en hest, som det ser ud til, man kan forme, som hele tiden har bagbenene inde under sig. Og det er en rigtig køn hest også, synes jeg. Han har noget look, og den har lidt ligesom faren, at man kan drive den ind bag til, og få hesten til at komme op med sin forpart. Det var det samme med faren. Og det er rigtig godt. Prøv at lave overgang til skridt. Ja, super. Rigtig god, aktiv skridt med en god overtrædning. Det er det, som jeg nævnte før, hvor den anden hest, vi havde inde, den her, den kan tage lidt hurtigere trit. Og det gør, at når man så skal videre til noget, der ligner Piaffe Passage, så er det lidt nemmere, hvis de er født til at flytte benene lidt hurtigere. Og det tror jeg helt sikkert, at sådan en hest som ham her, han vil få meget nemt ved. Fordi at den er hele tiden aktiv og flittig. Det har du gjort godt, Jakob.
Andreas just said what we see here with Zappa. We like the type where they're a little bit quick in the legs, and when you come later to Piaffe and Passage, it's just easier for the horses to produce that when they are already from young to move the legs a little bit quicker. And Zappa, he's standing in Sweden. We don't have him at our place, so I also haven't seen him for a long time. And you can always see more improvement when you haven't seen the horse, and I think he looks really good. Jakob Nørby Sørensen, the rider, did a super job with him, and I mean, Stallion looks fantastic. Also the type, round, elegant, really good. Jakob and Zappa. Really nice.
Dejlige Zappa.
Ja, vi har lige en lille hurtig. Vi har nogle mennesker, som har været så søde og donere nogle gaver, uden vi faktisk har gjort noget. Jeg tænker, det skal de da også have lov til, hvis de har lyst til at give vores kære publikum en gave. Sidste år, der var en, der vandt en bedækning efter